Like, give me like kind of stand like right here. Kind of stand like right here. Like hold it up kind of. I'm driving with a pillow right here because my knee got sunburnt really bad. My arm's getting fucking sunburnt too. What up, Cal? You ready for this shit, Cal? We're at Lake Tahoe at Eagle Rock Trail. I'm about to go fucking climb this mountain. Oh shit. Here, I'll let you lead. Fuck. Yeah, I feel like I should wear sweatpants. Like, this is like making my like hip hurt kinda. These tight ass jeans. It's like I'm climbing a mountain with the resistance bands on, you know? These jeans are extra tight right now too, cause like we've been like kind of walking a lot. So my calves are like fucking puffed up. You're chafing? No, it's like my pants are just too tight right now because like my legs are a little bigger because we've been walking a lot. Like my fucking legs are pumped. These are never this tight. We almost made it to the top. I should not have fucking wore skinny jeans. What was I thinking? Run, Kyle, run. Don't bust your shit. Did you do that on purpose?
What?
You almost bust your shit?
No, not on purpose.
Yeah, I was like, don't bust your shit. And then like a second later you tripped, I thought you were joking.
Shit, dog. Like, look at that.
You wanna record me? Oh, sure. Oh, fuck, dude.
She's sick.
Oh, it's fire.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, it was worth it though. Just chill up here for like, you know, a bit. Maybe hit that pen a few times. Go and do a what? Yeah, I brought it. Yeah, of course. This is so nice.
Now, walk right here, like sideways, and then get me walking around you.
This shit's pretty fucking dope.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
This is pretty cool though.
Very pretty.
This is very pretty. I'm like almost like all prettied out, bro. Like, I'm seeing so many pretty things. I'm just like, I feel drained. Like I still like, it's like I get like high every time still, but it's like drained, dude.
Pretty muscle. Your pretty tolerance is super high. Hello.
Hey.
Oh shit. Fuck, my back hurts so bad. This is spooky. For real.
We were listening to a podcast earlier about how Elon Musk was saying we're already cyborgs, and I'm just thinking about how, like, yeah, it's one of our cyborg abilities.
For real.
You know, to light up things.
We kind of had powers in a way. We got a flashlight power. Or we have like the phone to call for help when we fall.
Yeah.
That's what we really need it for.
Now I know why my fiance always wears a headlamp. Like he always has headlamp.
I have one in my car.
Because you don't have to have your hand like.
Yeah, true. That's why I have the GoPro I have right now. It's like the one that you put on your head. So like, I can just like head strap it and then.
Driving?
Yep, I do it when I'm driving. I do it when I'm like climbing a mountain or something, like both hands on.
Cause like it's most of the time on this climb with like holding it, that sucks. Like kind of not even having like as much fun. Like so having it on my head is decent.
I love how dark it gets. Like scary.
You can walk. I have off trails.
It's a little spooky. Ooh. From driving too, my back hurts like super bad right now. So like every time I'm stepping down, it just hurts. We're at Sam's Mart. You go shopping at Sam's Mart. Be ready to be pleased. When shopping at Sam's Mart, you will find everything you need. That's actually pretty good. Don't use the water fountain, you sick fuck.